Let's take a closer look at your student reference book. You can find it every day in this top right corner with the light blue background. If you click on that, it will open up a version of the reference book that is online, and it should probably start with this beginning page. Now, instead of flipping through page by page, which you could do with these arrows, I want you to come up here to this contents button and click on it, and you'll see it drops down to a whole bunch of options that you have for you. So the math book is organized by topic. So you can have operations and algebraic thinking, numbers and operations in base 10, and so on and so forth. There's games, and there's different things that you might need. So you could look up something this way if you wanted to. There's also a button at the bottom where you can click. It says cover, and if you type in a page number, so say I asked you to go to page 190, and you hit enter, it will take you right to that page that I had asked you to go to. If you think that that's a page that's going to be really important to you, you can click on this little bookmark, and it will save it to your bookmarks, which you can find beside the contents. There's bookmarks for you. So once you're on the page that you need to be on, you will notice that I see some audio icons. So that is going to read aloud the text to you with a little play button down here. So if you need help with reading, you can listen to the audio for that section. And then I also see a icon that has a little link to it looks like. If I click on that, that's actually going to take me to a Sketchpad activity that goes right along with the things that I was reading about. And you can go back and forth between the tabs up top to help you. A couple other things to notice. You can zoom. So you can click on the zoom button. You can go make it as big as you need it to go. You can also look up here. There's some different tools for you. So there's a highlighting pen. So if you wanted to remember this, you could highlight it yellow to draw your attention to it. There's a pen that you can write. Maybe if you wanted to draw an arrow or something to help you. There is, you can add a note. So maybe read this, and you can post it to help you. And then there's also an option that you can underline, circle, or box some text if you want to do that. So those are tools to help you as you're reading and exploring your student reference book. The final thing is the search bar. So say you're really having trouble with the game that we're going to play, number grid difference. You can type that in and hit enter, and it should pop up with, oh, it doesn't. It should pop up with a search. Maybe if I say fractions, some things it works for and some things it doesn't. So it will show you different pages that has the word fractions. If you wanted to do that game, you can come over here to contents, and one of the topics is games. You can click on the arrow, and it'll bring you down, and you can see all that, those different game options, and it will show you the directions. It looks like I didn't put a hyphen. That's why it didn't work in the search bar, but it'll have those game directions right there for you. So those are some basics about your student reference book online. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to navigate and to be able to use to help you.